This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 28RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, oven, air conditioning, skylight, smoke detector, water heater, microwave, stove top burner, auxiliary battery, LP detector, awning, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 28RL is 8,362 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.